Hey guys, I love to eat, and as you may know from our previous video that Joshua really loves to cook on an open fire. Today he's back at it again. He's making some delicious chicken marinated in turmeric, ginger, and some Maggie seasoning, and then roasted on an open fire. We are going to serve this up with a nice cold beer after a long day of working on the farm. If you are enjoying this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video.